Hello everyone. In this video you are going to learn how to create aliases to rename members in the view. So you can create aliases for members in a dimension so that labels appear differently in the view. So aliases are nothing but alternate names that you can create for the numbers in a dimension. So you can create these aliases only for a discrete dimension, but you cannot create aliases for a continuous dimension, dates and measures. So if I click on order date, if I right click on order date, you cannot see the option alias, but if I click on customer name and right click, so you can see this option aliases. So for customer ID also you can see the option aliases. Okay, so but there is no option aliases for order date and measures. There is no option for aliases for measure. So let me create aliases for members in category dimension. So category is a discrete dimension. So right click on this dimension category and click on this aliases. So edit aliases dialog box will open. So under this value aliases, click on the member and enter the alternate name or alias name for the member furniture. So I'm going to name as home furnishings, and for office supplies member I'm going to give alternate name as office equipment, and for the member technology I'm going to name it as gadgets. So then click on OK. So the category members have been changed with the alias names. So to clear these aliases and reset member names back, right click on the dimension, click on aliases. So click on clear aliases, then click on OK. So you can see the original names of members in the category. So this is how to use aliases in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.